Yo, so if you're thinking about monetizing your anime shorts channel, listen up. This one tip is crucial. Add a narrative or commentary to your videos. Trust me, I've done my research, and the channels that make bank are the ones that include text or some kind of narrative in their videos, like the one you're watching right now, for example. Just look at this video. You can see how they've added text to explain what's happening on screen, right? Without that narrative, you're asking for trouble. YouTube's not going to like it, and they could demonetize you. YouTube wants videos to bring something new and original to the table. If you're just uploading anime scenes with no added commentary, it's probably not going to fly for monetization. The key is value. Uploading an anime scene without adding your 2 cents is seen as non-original by YouTube, which is when demonetization kicks in. But if you add commentary or text, you're giving the audience something to engage with. It's way more fun and keeps people interested. And here's the thing. Adding your perspective is what makes your content transformative. You're not just re-uploading a clip, you're offering your unique take, your thoughts, your humor. That's what makes it original and keeps people coming back. Also, make sure to edit the video properly. This means trimming, cutting out unnecessary parts, and adding cool effects or transition. Good editing shows that you put effort into the video, which adds to the overall value and keeps viewers hooked. The more polished your video looks, the more likely it is to get approved for monetization. Oh, and don't forget to give credit to the original anime. A simple line like, "All rights to this anime belong to the respective owners. No copyright infringement intended," can save you a lot of headaches. It shows you're respecting the original creators and following YouTube's rules.